guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you all the makeup tips and tricks that leave you feeling sexy and confident. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below if you too want to feel sexy and confident. Today we are continuing the brow series on to part number 3. If you've made it this far, your brows are going to look fantastic. So today we are going to cover the brow pencil. And now I'm not talking about no sharpener pencil, because if y'all remember back in middle school, back in elementary school, the minute that you found out about a mechanical pencil, did you find yourself at that pencil sharpener anymore? No, you didn't. So let's move on to micro brow pencils that are twist up, and I'm going to teach you how to use one today, and I'm going to teach you my thoughts on it, how to best apply it, and how to make your brows look the best they can possibly be. So without further ado, let's put some brows on. So this is a micro brow, essentially styler. This one that I have here today is from NYX, and it is called the micro brow pencil. It looks like this. So it's double-ended. I have the cap off on this side, but it twists up real nice. Let me twist this out so you can kind of at least get to see it on camera. Very, very thin, which is awesome for precision and making hair-like strokes. And then on the other end of this product, we've got the spoolie. So the nice part is that you wouldn't need an additional tool like this. This is a very 2-in-1 nice on-the-go thing as well. If you didn't want to deal with the gel, you want to just use more of a pencil crayon type thing. That is a benefit of this product. So this product runs about $10. I will say immediately, I'm always going to be honest, I just tried this off camera. The pencil is a little harsh. It doesn't glide as softly as I'd like, but for now I will just push a little bit harder and use this on my eyebrow. So I will say that MAC makes an eyebrow styler. It is not a drugstore price. It's about $22, I believe. Very soft. If you're ever in a store and you go and try it out, you're gonna see the difference immediately. But the softer the better, because you guys, we don't want to be pushing against our skin really hard. We want it to be a soft application, you know? The face is delicate. But further ado, let's put this one on. So my tips here is, well, first of all, go in and let's brush these brow hairs the right direction. They're gonna kill me after this video. And then I'm going to make hair-like strokes that follow the directions the hairs go in. So like I said in the last brow product, the first hairs go straight up, then the next ones go back this way, and then the final ones from this arch down to the peak go down, or like kind of at a back angle. I'm gonna start in the beginning. Again, I really wanna build this inside and create hair where I don't have hairs. Just so you guys know, this is gonna be a very natural application as well. You're not gonna get harsh lines unless, I mean, I guess you push really hard, but I guess in this case, the benefit of this being a really hard product is it's gonna be really hard for you to put it on too heavy. So let's jump in. So I'm gonna make strokes that go straight up. You can kind of see it starting to fill in. Hopefully you guys can see this. And I kind of start right where I see this imaginary line where like all the hairs are pretty much starting. That's where I'm kind of starting that pencil, at least to get the base. Some nice structure there. And then here I've got a little divot here, so I'm gonna kind of just rub the product, because again, at the end of the day, we're going around with that concealer. Carve this out. So if something jumped out of the lines, don't stress. But look at that, already looks 20 times better. Very natural. I actually really like the color for sure. This is taupe and it matches me really nicely. Again, just doing these little hair strokes. And what's cool is, as you do the little, it's just like a little flick, okay? That's what I'm doing, little flicks, because as you build them up, you'll get to the right level you want. You'll know when to stop. You'll be like, yep, that's how I want my brow to look. So I'm gonna rebrush these, and then I'm gonna carve underneath here. This is like, just like making that line underneath. My unwritten rule is just like, if you can sketch the line straight, that's perfect, because at the end of the day, you wanna see that arch really cleanly. So that's okay, we don't have to sit and do little hairs along that. I like to just make it all flow. Obviously my eyebrow is not everyone else's eyebrow, so if it does make more sense to draw little hairs up the same way we did down here, do that by all means. Now, I'm gonna switch direction and go straight back in here, in the areas that are a little bit lighter. Just that we're all in the same color. Already, oh my god. It's not bad, you guys. It's really not bad. It's just like a little hard. the product. So now I'm going to fill in this gap down up here by bringing them down. And there you have it. That is an eyebrow with a micro brow pencil like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now we have both brows done with these oh my god, I keep wanting to say styler because that's what Matt calls it, so sorry. With the micro brow pencil. I didn't carve this out before jumping to the other brow, so I wanted to carve them both out for you right now. And with that, now they are all carved out. So I absolutely love the way this looks. Just a very natural way of doing things. I think the micro brow pencil is an excellent option. It's also very precise. It's easy to define things because you have so much more control because it is so small. And then you get to build, you know, very slowly and really have that control. The only downside I would say is if you, well, A, run into a product that's too hard on your skin, or B, there is only so much in here, and I always find that the gel products, that first one I use, last longer than this product. So if you like this product, go for it, but just know that you might have to replenish it a little bit more often. And with that, we are on to eyebrow product number 4.